it was right after he was talking about the home invasion where he was like, I'm glad that he shot him.
Yeah.
Right? That was like the headline that went out. And some people got a little offended. Like, I don't know, I guess people on the left, right? Since then, since you sent me about that, he said more shit.
Yes.
Right? He's now saying, okay, at least if you ain't got a gun, get you some pepper spray and that should be okay.
Well, he did that before. So he's petitioning the federal government. He's petitioning the federal government to declassify pepper spray and sort of other similar personal defense as not being weapons. So right now, you know, pepper spray and mace and things of that nature are considered weapons. They're prohibited devices.
Hold up. Thank you. Because we had this conversation the other day of like weapons that you can kind of have on you. And we had a whole joke about pepper spray not being the manly thing to spray or whatever. But like low-key, you're not even allowed to have it. We were wrong.
Yeah.
So that's illegal to have pepper spray?
And pepper spray, mace, bear spray. Like,
really?
Yeah.
Yo, fam.
Might as well just have a strap.
Huh?
Might as well just have a strap.
I mean, it's not going to be anywhere as bad. Like,
How much time are you doing?
I do not want to be. I do not want there to be any suggestions that was my legal advice. That is not my legal advice. You're going to get way more time for
Got Jordana's words.
Like, please.
How much time are you doing for like pepper spray possession?
I mean, it doesn't normally happen on its own, right? And if it is, those guys aren't coming to me. So normally, like if the police are finding mace, they're finding it with drugs, with a gun, with other things. It's in the context of like a different situation.
Yeah.
Or like I had a case in Coburg where a client was charged with assault with a weapon for using pepper spray or bear mace. I think at that time it was like a bear spray. And so it was part of this larger assault. So, it's normally a part of a case because the reality is like many of us are walking down the street and we have it in our pocket. The police aren't going to know unless they have a reason to find it.
Yeah.
Right. And so the reality is like the police don't know what you have on them unless they're searching you. And normally, again, depending on who, what, where, they're not searching you if you're just walking down the street. But until you get into a bar fight and you pull it out and you use it and now you're bringing yourself and your mace or your pepper spray to their attention.
Okay, I was about to say, like, let's say you get into an altercation.
Yes.
I believe it's like equal force rules over here, something like.
So, but that's now you're talking about self-defense, which is a defense, and you're running that at trial. You've now had to hire a lawyer and sit through the process for like 2 years.
We love hip hop.